In recent years, the air bearings market has seen significant growth driven by innovations in technology. Air bearings utilize a thin layer of air to support moving parts, leading to reduced friction and wear. Industries such as aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing are increasingly adopting air bearing technology. The benefits of air bearings include high-speed performance and enhanced precision on machinery. Market research indicates that the demand for air bearings is expected to rise in the coming years. Innovations like magnetic levitation are elevating air bearing designs to new heights. Challenges such as high initial costs and technical complexities may impact the air bearings market growth. Investments in research and development are crucial for sustaining growth and innovation in the market. As technology evolves, air bearing applications will likely diversify, creating more opportunities. In conclusion, the air bearings market is set to expand, providing numerous benefits across industries.